Take it easy. Yell stop if you're about to die. I swear to God, if a car comes up here, I'm gonna be so pissed. Do you know how to bail?
Tuck and roll.
Brett, be careful! She's going too far to the left. Slow down.
I'm going too far to the right.
I mean right, she's going too far to the right.
Go, go, Power Rangers.
What if she just hit a mailbox?